A Song in the Sky is available in English and in Lingala. This is the English episode. Hello my friends, my name is Bénie. In the previous episode, we found out that I'm a 14-year-old girl who lives in Kinshasa with her mother, Maman Pauline, and her younger brother, Junior. We also learned that my dream is to become a singer! And that's why I registered to participate in the ZARNACOM Annual Singing Competition. The winner is going to win $5,000 and a recording contract with the ZARNACOM music label. Whoa! That's amazing, eh? But my mom doesn't know that I'm going to the audition. I'll deal with it later. And also, my brother Junior has a secret dog that lives in our backyard. But that's another story. Let's put the focus back on me. So, as I was saying, last month, I went to the ZARNACOM TV studio to participate in the big casting for the ZARNACOM Annual Singing Competition. That was my first time ever going to a TV studio. I was so excited, but I was also very nervous. I didn't know if I was talented enough to win a singing competition. And there were so many people there. All the youth from Kinshasa had decided to show up and sign up. There were also kids coming from other cities like Matadi, Kikwit, and even Bandaka. Nobody wanted to miss out. When I arrived at the studio early in the morning, there was already a huge lineup. Some girls were doing their vocal warm-up. Some other girls were doing their makeup. Some other girls were already crying due to stress. Whoa! I was not the only one to be nervous. And guess what? In the crowd, I even recognized some of my neighbors. Yes, there was Elodie, whose dad is a doctor. She's a real pop princess. She knows all the hits and she has a really good voice. But we are not friends. She doesn't like me and I don't like her either. Look at her. She's pretending like she doesn't see me. So, okay, I'm going to pretend that I don't see her either. Then, in the crowd, I saw Doreen, whose dad is a pastor. She sings all the leads at our church. She has a really good voice too. And she knows how to play the piano. I think that's going to impress the judges. Doreen and we are not friends either. But at least when she saw me, she said, "Hello, Bénie." So I said, "Hello, Doreen." And then she looked at me and she said, "Is that what you're going to wear in front of the judges?" And I said, "Yeah." And she laughed at me and she said, "Good luck." It's true that I didn't have any fancy outfit. I just had a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt. But that was not important, right? The important thing was my voice. Still, what Doreen had said hurts me a little bit. And then, the last person that I recognized in the crowd was Wilfried. He's a boy from our neighborhood. His mom sells Bénie at the market. We are not the best of friends, but we get along. I was not surprised to see him there. Wilfried is a rapper. His dream is to become the best rapper in Kinshasa. He has a lot of ambition. When I saw him in the crowd, I said, "Hello, Wilfried." And he said, "Hello, Bénie. What's up? Do you have your number?" And I said, "What number?" And he said, "The number that you need to have to stand in the line. Otherwise, they're never going to call you." And I said, "Oh." And he said, "Do you see that lady over there with the blue hat? Go ask her for a number." And I said, "Thank you." And he said, "You're welcome." Then he went back to listening to hip-hop on his cell phone. I went to see the lady with the blue hat to ask for my participant number, But there was another girl in front of me in the line, and whoa, she was absolutely gorgeous. She looked like a pop star already. She was tall, she had beautiful long blonde braids, and she was wearing golden earrings and bracelets. She had to be someone important because she had not one, but two assistants. And there was a ZARNACOM video crew already following her everywhere. I moved closer to one of the assistants and I heard that her name was Samantha. Samantha? Whoa! That was already a pop star name. I wanted to find out more, but the lady at the desk with the blue hat was calling me. Next! Hello. What's your name? Bénie. Where do you live? Kimanseke. How old are you? 14. Are you here with your parents? No, but do you have a signed authorization from them? I showed her my letter with the fake signature of my mother that I had done myself. Then the lady gave me 3 additional forms to sign. Put your name and initials here, here, and here. Okay. Now stand here so that I can take your picture. Okay. She took a Polaroid picture of me and then she said, all right, here is your number, 324120009. I was about to go back to the line and stand with the other candidates, but right at that moment, the lady's cell phone started ringing. She motioned for me to stay there while she answered. Hello? Yes. Yes, I'm doing my best to move this quickly. There are hundreds of people here. It's not my fault if we're late. What? Yeah, okay. I'm sending you someone. She hung up the phone and called me again. You, 324120009. Come here. I was wondering what she wanted. Me? Yes, you. I need to send someone to the judges right now, so you're next. Wait, what? Me? I was next? But I was not ready. I had not warmed up my voice yet. I didn't have any makeup on. I didn't even know if my outfit looked good. How was I going to see the judges like that? I was really panicking. What was going to happen next? Well, you know what they say. You will find out in the next episode. Mise, oh namorike uzwaki deja, oh naebike, okokiko sala musala nyonso ganyaki deja, oh naebike. A Song in the Sky is a podcast series by Kwembila Productions. Written and created by Sabrina Moella. Lingala translation and assistant art direction by Mulongie Fuamba. Performances in this episode by Sabrina Moella.